Today's stock market activity is relatively quiet, as investors wait to see how upcoming corporate earnings reports will impact market momentum. Futures for the major indices are showing mixed results. The Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures slipped slightly by 0.1%, while the S&P 500 futures are up 0.3%, and Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.5%. This calm follows a strong finish last week, where the S&P 500 closed above 5,800 for the first time, setting new records. Big names in the financial sector are set to report their earnings this week, with Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and Johnson & Johnson leading the charge on Tuesday. Wednesday will see Morgan Stanley and United Airlines release their figures, while other major companies like Netflix, Walgreens Boots Alliance, and Procter & Gamble are scheduled later in the week. Investors are eager to see if these results will continue to push the stock market upward, particularly after JP Morgan Chase and Wells Fargo posted strong third-quarter earnings last week, boosting market confidence. While the market is riding high, investors are keeping a close eye on several factors that could introduce volatility. Geopolitical tensions, rising Treasury yields, and concerns over Federal Reserve policy decisions all contribute to a more cautious outlook. With the presidential election just 3 weeks away, political uncertainty is also weighing on investors' minds. Despite these concerns, analysts point out that key macroeconomic factors, like economic resilience, corporate strength, and ongoing stimulus, remain supportive of further market gains. Looking ahead, the release of September's retail sales, industrial production, and housing data later this week will provide more insight into the economy's health. Treasury yields have also been trending upward, with the 10-year yield surpassing 4.1%, which could impact sectors reliant on borrowing costs, such as housing and autos. Overall, the market continues to show strength, but with several risks on the horizon, investors are cautiously optimistic about what's next. Stay subscribed for more videos.